Hello and welcome to this educational video on some fundamental concepts in chemistry. Today, we will dive into the world of moles and molar mass, isotopes, pure substances, mixtures, and mass spectrometry. Moles are a fundamental concept in chemistry that represent a specific number of particles, just as a dozen represents 12 items. In chemistry, 1 mole represents 6.022 times 10 to the 23 particles, which is known as Avogadro's number. This number is critical to understanding the amounts of substances involved in chemical reactions. Molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of a substance and is expressed in grams per mole. To calculate the molar mass of a substance, we need to sum up the masses of all atoms in its chemical formula. For example, the molar mass of water, H2O, is 18 grams per mole since each water molecule has 2 hydrogen atoms with a mass of 1.01 grams per mole each and 1 oxygen atom with a mass of 16.00 grams per mole. Isotopes are atoms of the same element with different numbers of neutrons in their nuclei. This means that isotopes of the same element have the same number of protons but different numbers of neutrons. Since the number of protons determines the element's identity, isotopes of the same element are chemically identical, but they may have different physical properties. Isotopes can be identified by their mass numbers, which represent the sum of the protons and neutrons in the nucleus. For example, carbon-12 has 6 protons and 6 neutrons, while carbon-14 has 6 protons and 8 neutrons. A pure substance is a substance that is made up of only one type of particle, either atoms or molecules. Pure substances can be either elements or compounds. Elements are substances made up of only one type of atom, while compounds are substances made up of 2 or more different types of atoms that are chemically bonded together. Pure substances have a fixed composition and distinct physical and chemical properties. They cannot be separated into simpler substances by physical means. A mixture is a combination of 2 or more pure substances that are physically blended together but not chemically bonded. Mixtures can be classified into 2 types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous mixtures have uniform compositions throughout, while heterogeneous mixtures have non-uniform compositions. Mixtures can be separated into their individual components using physical methods such as filtration, distillation, or chromatography. Mass spectrometry is a technique used to determine the mass and relative abundance of atoms and molecules in a sample. It involves ionizing the sample to create charged particles, which are then accelerated through an electric field and separated according to their mass-to-charge ratio. Mass spectrometry has a wide range of applications, including identifying unknown compounds, determining the elemental composition of a sample, and studying chemical reactions. And there you have it, an overview of some fundamental concepts in chemistry. We covered moles and molar mass, isotopes, pure substances, mixtures, and mass spectrometry. These concepts are essential for understanding the behavior of matter and chemical reactions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this educational video informative.